splash because I have all the sticky stuff that come along with my reptile being. Come on, out of here. So how about you slice your tongue on this razor blade and I will never forgive you. Never mind me. Go away. I have a hard enough time to forgive me, but you, get. Who loves you? Who thinks Henry's best? Mwah! You are the bestest. Henry, sit. Sit. Henry is a sit. Sit. Now. Sit. Sit. Good dog. Don't even think about getting involved. Nope. If I did this to your body when I'm doing this window, it would be split in two. That's just the way it goes. Yep. I'm not sure why you're even here. New vantage point. Get that thing back. Go and ask your brother for a drink of water. Okay? Yep. There is nothing to be salivating about here. You do not want to eat this.